Hello everyone. Today we will cover a new topic, that is simple interest. Now first of all, let us understand what is interest. Money kept in a saving account in a bank increases over time because bank pays some money on the money deposited. So if you borrow some money from money lender, suppose bank, so you will repay more money because the money lender will charge some additional money in lieu of the money used by you. This additional money is called interest. Suppose you have borrowed some money from a money lender. Okay, so money lender gives you money in one condition, that whenever you repay it, he will charge some extra money from you. That extra money is called interest or simple interest. So let us go through some terms related to simple interest. So first one is principal. What is principal? The money borrowed is called principal. Next is interest. The additional money paid by the borrower to the money lender in lieu of the money used by him is called interest. Amount. The total money paid by borrower to the money lender is called amount. That means if you borrow some money from money lender and when you are repaying it, you are repaying some extra money. So the total of money borrowed by you plus the extra money is called amount. Rate. It is the interest paid for 1 year. That means whenever you borrow money from a money lender, he will charge extra money based on some rate like 10% per annum, 5% per annum. Next is time. It is the time for which the money is borrowed. Suppose for 6 months, for 1 year. And last is simple interest. It is the interest calculated on the original money, that is principal, at given rate of interest for a given time. Now here some formulas is given for simple interest, for amount, from principal, for rate and for time. So you need to write all this formula and practice it. So let us solve some questions. The first question is, find the simple interest on rupees 20,000 for 4.5 years at 8.5% per annum. Here per annum means for 1 year. Okay, so you have what you have to find out? You have to find simple interest. So what is given here? Here principal is given, that is 20,000. Time is given 4.5 years, so it is given in mixed fraction. You have to convert it in improper fraction, that means 4 to the 8, 1, 9/2 years. So time will be 9/2 years. And rate is given 8 whole 1/2%, that means 17/2% per annum. What you have to find out? Simple interest. So you know the formula for simple interest or simply interest is P into R into T by 100. So put the values. Principal is given 20,000. Rate is given 9/2. That means you have to write 9/2 into it is time, and rate is given 17/2 into 100. So when you solve it, you will get the answer rupees 7650. Okay, this will be the value of interest. Now in the question it is given to find the amount. So you know the formula of amount is A is equal to P plus I, principal plus interest. So what was the principal? 20,000. and the interest we have got is 7650. So when you add both of them, you will get 27650 rupees. Find the time when simple interest on rupees 12,000 at 6.5% per annum is rupees 2730. So here principal is given rupees 12,000, rate is given 6 whole 1 by 2, that means 13 by 2 percent per annum, and interest is given rupees 2730. The formula for time will be interest into 100 by P into R. So put the values. 2730 into 100 by principal was 12000, 12,000 into 13 into 2. So when you solve it, you will get the answer 1 by 2 years. Next is find the rate of interest when simple interest on rupees 1625 in 2.5 years is rupees 325. Here principal is given rupees 1625, time is given 2.5 years means 5 by 2 years, and interest is given rupees 325. What you have to find out? You have to find out rate. So formula for rate is I into 100 by principal into time. Now put the values. 325 into 100, principal was 1625 into time is 5 into 2. So when you solve it, you will get the answer 8%. Next question is find the principal when simple interest at 16% per annum for 2.5 years is rupees 3840. What you have to find out? Principal. First let us write what is given here. Rate is given 16% per annum, time is given 2 whole 1 by 2, that means 5 by 2 years, and interest is given, that is rupees 3840. So the formula for principal will be I into 100 by R into T. Okay, now put the values. 3840 into 100 by 16 into 5 into 2. When you solve it, you will get the answer 9600. Next is find the rate of interest when rupees 300 amounts to rupees 400 in 2 years. Here principal is given rupees 300, amount is given rupees 400, time is given 2 years, you have to find out rate. So first work will be to find the value of I. Since we know a formula that is A equal to P plus I, amount is equal to principal plus interest, so I will be A minus P, or 400 minus 300, that is rupees 100 is our interest. Now formula for rate is I into 100 by P into T. Now put the values. It is 100 into 100 by 300 into 2. When you solve it, you will get the answer 16 whole 2 by 3%. Since we are finding rate, so you have to write per annum. Next is find the time when rupees 6540 amounts to rupees 8447.50 at 12.5% per annum. Here you need to find out time. What is given here? Principal is given rupees 6540. Amount is given rupees 8447.50. Rate is given 12.5% per annum, that means 25 by 2% per annum. So first work will be to find the value of interest. So what we will do? Amount minus principal, A minus P, that is 8447.50 minus 6540. It will be 1907.50. Now formula for time is I into 100 by P into R. Now put the values. Interest we have got 1907.50 into 100. What was our principal? 6540, and rate is 25 by 2, that means 25. Okay. Now when you solve it, you will get the answer 2 whole 1 by 3 years. Now since it is given in mixed fraction, so what you have to do, it is given 2 years here, we will change 1 by 3 years into months. What we will do, we will multiply it with 12. So our answer will be 2 years and 4 months. Next is an amount of money invested tripled, that means it is getting 3 times in 6 years. Amount is getting 3 times in 6 years. What you have to find out? You have to find out rate. So since we don't know what the principal is, so principal, let principal is equal to P. As per the question, amount is getting tripled, that means 3P. So value of interest will be 3P minus P equal to 2P. So formula for rate is I into 100 by principal into time. Here time is given 6 years. So what interest we have got? 2P into 100 by principal is P. You can take X, Y, Z, whatever. Time is given 6 years. Now when you will solve it, you will get the answer as 33 whole 1 by 3% per annum. You have to write per annum since we have to find out rate. If simple interest on certain sum of money for 3 years is 3/10 of the sum, then find the rate of interest per annum. Here, principal we have to assume as P or X, whatever. Here it is given that the simple interest on certain sum of money for 3 years is 3/10 of the sum. So I will be 3/10 of the sum. Sum is P. Time is given 3 years. What we have to find out? We have to find out rate. So formula for rate will be R equal to I into 100 by P into T. I is 3P by 10 into 100 into principal is P and time is 3. So if you solve it, you will get the rate 10% per annum. Next is a sum of rupees 6,000 amounts to rupees 6,900 in 3 years. What will be its amount to if the rate of interest is increased by 2%? So what is given here? Principal is given rupees 6,000. You have to write whatever is given in the question at the beginning. Amount is given rupees 6,900. Time is given 3 years. In first case, in this question two part is there. In first case, you have to find the rate. So I will be A minus P. That means 6,900 minus 6,000, that is 900. It is the value of interest. So formula for rate is I into 100 by P into T. Value of I is 900 into 100. Principal is 6,000 and time is given 3 years. When you will solve it, you will get the rate as 5% per annum. In the second part of the question, it is given what will be it amount to if the rate of interest is increased by 2%. That means new interest or new rate is 5 plus 2, that means 7% per annum. So we have to find out amount. So for that, first we will find out interest. The value formula for interest is P into R into T by 100. So what was our principal? 6,000. New rate is 7% and time is given 3 years by 100. When you will solve it, you will get the answer 1260. Now we have to find out amount. The formula for amount is P plus I, principal plus interest. Principal was 6,000. Interest we have got 1260. The total is rupees 7260. I hope all these questions are clear to you. Thank you all of you.